Hello all, my name is Gayatri. Today we are going to see about double linked list. First we will see what is double linked list. Double linked list is a sequence of elements in which every element has links to its previous element and next element in the sequence. Hash include stdio.h, hash include stdlib.h, these are the header files. Stdlib is nothing but creating memory space using malloc function. Now we are declaring a structure called node. Struct node is just declaring a node using struct data type. Previous is used for previous node address, next is used for next node address. These are the pointer variables. These are the functions we are going to see in this video. Insert at beginning, insert at last, delete at beginning, delete at last, and display. Now we'll move on to the main function. I have created a variable int choice. When choice is not equal to 6, the loop exists. These are the options. Now choices are given based on the functions. The choices will be executed, else this default part will be executed. Now we'll see the function definition. Insert at beginning. In insert at beginning, I have declared the pointer variable p. Int item is just to get the value. P is equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. Malloc is used for creating memory space. If p is equal to null, it will overflow. Else p pointing next variable has to be null. If p pointing previous variable has to be null. Else p pointing data equal to item, p pointing previous equal to null, and in same way p pointing next equal to head. The node will be inserted. Now we'll see about insert at last. Two variable p and temp. Int item is for getting a value. Malloc is used for creating a memory space. If p is equal to null, it will overflow. Else p pointing data is equal to item. If head equal to null, p pointing next equal to null, p pointing previous equal to null, head is equal to p. Else temp equal to head, while temp pointing next not equal to null, temp is equal to temp pointing next. A node will be inserted. Now we'll see the function definition. Delete at beginning. Struct node at pointer variable p. If head equal to null, it will underflow. Else head pointing next equal to null, it will underflow, can delete any element. Else if or else head pointing to next equal to null, we are removing that element. Now we'll say about delete at last. Struct node at pointer variable p. If head equal to null, it will underflow. Else if head pointing next equal to null, head is equal to null free of head, a node will be deleted. Else p is equal to head, while p pointing next not equal to null, p is equal to p points next. Free of p is used to remove memory space from the program. A node will be deleted. Void display a pointer variable p. It prints value p equal to head. Head is the first node, while p not equal to null, p pointing next from first node to next node, p pointing next is pointing null, it will come out. Let us run this program. First we'll enter the first choice 1, we'll enter 10, a node is inserted, we'll display 10 is printed. Second choice, value is 11, node is inserted, we'll display 10 and 11 is printed. Now we'll delete at beginning. Choice is 3, node deleted, we'll display 10 is deleted. Now we'll delete at last. Node deleted, we'll display 11 is deleted. In this way we'll do double linked list.
Thank you all for watching my video.